Can you really be a professional YouTuber? Learn how to make money on YouTube next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about becoming a professional YouTuber and making money from this YouTube platform. But before I get into that, if you're serious about starting your own online business and making passive income, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity. Both links in the description. Both things I'm using, and both things are the bomb. Alright, but anyway, so this video kind of just stems from, seeing a lot of people ask about YouTube and YouTube, making money with YouTube, on YouTube, whatever. And I was thinking the other day, like, yo, it's gonna get to the point, and I think in the next 5 years, I think YouTube actually will be looked at as like a real profession, to the point where when people ask people, and I think some people doing it now, but literally it'll be really common to be like, well, where you work at? Oh, I do YouTube. Oh, I'm a YouTuber. Now, granted, there are real YouTubers now, but it's still not like a common job, right? I'm saying it's going to be so common, like you can meet somebody at the grocery store and be like, well, where do you work? It'll be nothing for someone to be like, oh yeah, I do YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. I really think in the next 5 years, even people are going to put that on future like resumes and stuff. They'll put that like, oh, I was a YouTuber from 2012 to. I think it's really going to get to that point. Now the next question is how to make money from YouTube, on YouTube, right? It's a lot of different ways to do it, and a lot of people teaching it. There's a lot of courses out there. But in my opinion, for YouTube to be really considered as a profession, and people really can look at it and say, hey, I want to do this as a job, to me, YouTube got to get a little bit better with their structure of like how you make money directly from them. Because YouTube is notorious for making all these weird sporadic changes, which like almost 2 years ago, everybody went banana balls when YouTube like changed their algorithm and made it, they cut a lot of people's advertisement money, and people were like making $5,000 a month and then went from that to zero. So, to me, it needs a little bit more structure if you're trying to make money from YouTube strictly from ads, from YouTube advertising, which a lot of people still do, right? That to me is a little more risky. How to make money on YouTube, in my opinion, is use affiliate marketing, right? Which maybe you've heard of, promote other people's products, or create your own products and then start selling, your products via your YouTube channel and everything like that. Another way you can go about doing this is trying to get brand deals, which basically build your channel up, build a following up enough where you can go to brands, or they can come to you and say, hey, look, I got this channel. I got, 50,000 subscribers, hey, for $1,000 a month, I can always keep your damn, your drink, your energy drink bottle next to me every video, or I could put a little poster of your logo behind me, and you can work stuff like that. To me, those are the ways to make real money on YouTube. And those are ways that you can legitimately be like, yo, I'm a professional. I'm doing this. Because keep in mind, what is a professional, right? What's the difference between an amateur, you just doing it for a hobby, versus a professional? The only difference is what makes you a professional is something that pays you. If you're getting paid to do something, you're a professional, right? So the minute you're making affiliate commissions online, you're a professional affiliate marketer. That's just how it is, right? So yeah, I do believe like YouTube will be, and is right now, can be a profession. You just got to really dig into it though. That's another tip for making money on it, no matter what method you decide, affiliate marketing, YouTube ads, brand deals, whatever. You got to get that content out there. You got to get that content out there. And when you're first starting out, you really need to find out what people are searching for and make videos around those search phrases, because that's pretty much guaranteeing you views, right? When people are searching for the stuff that you're making videos on, then it's up to you to capture the viewer and everything like that. And that's where I got this software that I use to this day, called Traffic Extractor, and I'll put a link to it in the description. I think it's $67. I'm not sure. It's a one-time thing, but literally it gives you all of your competition. It gives you search phrases every month, like what people are searching for. So you can get it, or you can find your own methods to find out what people are searching for, but that's what I use. But starting out, guys, you want to make content that people are searching for. Now, once you get bigger and you got a following, that's when you could just do dumb videos about whatever, and people still going to watch because they're invested in you, right? So at first, make videos that people are searching for, what you're talking about. Next thing is, I don't know what's wrong. I needed some damn water. Next thing is get consistent, guys. Especially think about a job. Think about a job, 8 hours a day, blah, 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 right? So if you're looking at YouTube to be a profession, you got to put that time in. So if you're really on that YouTube kick, you should at least be doing 4 to 5 videos a week, in my opinion, right? The more content, the better, in my opinion. The more content, the better, and the more money you will ultimately make. All right, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. I do highly suggest jumping into YouTube if you're not. Hopefully these videos have helped you out. Keep in mind, like I said, Traffic Extractor is a great tool for YouTube and finding content. So all of that stuff will be in the description of this video, guys. Be sure to comment, ask any questions. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And be sure to subscribe, guys, because I'm always dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.